Okay, here it is. Today is Wednesday. I bought this on Monday morning. They shipped it to me, basically 2-day shipping for $7 flat. This is item 93762. The bandsaw, 4x6 horizontal vertical bandsaw. Let's put it together. Not sure if you can tell, but the packaging didn't really make it very well. I wouldn't be surprised if there was some cracked cast iron in here. Plate that everybody says is a little too cheesy. Actually sturdier than I expected. Still just sheet metal. Ah, this feels like a chintzy stand. Yeah, everybody online says that the stand is horrible. But this is my first exposure to it and it seems adequate. Definitely just, stamped sheet metal. Kind of a funky design with the hinges here. Still just setting all these pieces aside for now. The instructions. Lovely communist red color. Halfway here, the belt box. No worse than my drill press. Looks like I got the plastic wheel model. There's another model going around that has, well, there's an older one that has cast iron wheels, and then there's another model going around that has tires on the wheels. That's the clutch one that they sell at Northern Tool. At least their floor model was. And they also show it in one of the Harbor Freight photos. There are 2 model numbers at Harbor Freight for this saw. I picked the one that showed those rubber tires because I liked the clutch one that I saw at Northern Tool, but as with most of these Chinese tools that are coming out of the same factories, you get what you get. Thingy. This is the paper towel holder that comes with the machine. And this is for pulling errant nails out of the machine. No, I don't really know what this thing is. We'll look in the instructions. I don't know what this thing is either. Eventually I'm going to have to crack open this super duper owner's manual. So, if you're wondering why my voice sounds a little crappier than it usually does even, I am sick today. I actually have a fever right now and a sinus infection throat thing, so, well, that's awesome. Look at that. The packaging doing its job. Doing its job. We'll see how well it did its job. I see a motor. There it is in all of its boxy beauty. Motor, saw. Looks like the band is even on it. Well, that's out of focus, huh? Yeah, that's nice. Some assembly required. May have suffered some damage. It looks like it's been dropped on this side. And this metal sheet is not part of the metal cutting bandsaw. Don't know if you can see that. This is to protect the motor from getting smashed in on the corner of the box. Good thinking. Glad they did that. A nice Asian man watching out for me. Get a nice shot of my butt. That would be good. That's heavy. Well, that's it. That's the whole thing. Looking in the awesome manual. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Safety. Blah, blah. Vibration. Blah, blah, blah. Put the stand together. Okay. I guess I'll do what they say and assemble the stand. That makes sense. Paper towel holder goes on the bottom. We got wheels. Oh, we're good to go now. Time to put these two things together. This is pretty heavy. This particular part of it. Pretty heavy. Yeah, I think I am going to go ahead and just flip this bad boy upside down.
Off, of course.
Just go on the back here, we need to get as well. Put this one back where it belongs. That looks pretty good, I think. I don't see any crap in there. Not burred or anything. Looks pretty good to me. Oil's not leaking out everywhere. You know, I don't think that box has to be much more full than that. The gears look good. Everything looks good. I'm gonna start it up. There's a lot of cheese left over on the, you know, Cosmoline all over. I'm gonna go ahead and get that off and go get some product to help me out. Yeah.
My final thoughts on the Harbor Freight 4x6 bandsaw. It's cheap, less than $200, on sale with a coupon. It works. You can't beat the convenience of a bandsaw for quick, quiet, clean cuts. It runs unattended. You can just put your stock in, set it, and forget it. It's just the right size and capacity for a home shop. If you're cutting things bigger than 4x6 in a home shop, is it really a home shop? If you want something perfect and shiny and fancy, this is not it. This is quick and dirty and gets the job done. The biggest con of all is that this saw is extremely slow. I don't mind, I'm not running a job shop, obviously, but it's very, very slow.